Hi guys! Akko or AKKO is a known brand that specializes on mechanical keyboards, keycaps, DIY kits, and other accessories. This one right here is the Akko Custom Coiled Cable version 2. Akko has made the following upgrades since the version 1, and here's what they claim. Let's take a closer look. Packaging comes with box with two boxes inside literally. One with white cable aviator to USB-C and a pink one with aviator to USB-A. The coiled part has a gold-plated USB-C and the cable they use is larger than version 1 drastically. The female aviator has a nice deep Akko engraving and it uses a 4-pin connector like we've seen a lot on GX16. The pink aviator to USB-C comes with Velcro strap and has a gold-plated USB as well. This was the factory defect that my product had. Anyways, the male connector for aviator has 4 holes and a rubber O-ring inside. It has a little notch that lines up with female one to guide for a perfect connection and a thread type locking mechanism. By the way, if you still haven't watched the quick unboxing of this product, please click the link on the upper right side of this video. So what can I say? Akko made a little enhancement since their version 1. I guess they listened to their consumer and released this version 2 with thicker wires, new aviator connector, and more colorways. I just wish they include the options to get USB-C to USB-C cable. And of course, a braided version of this. So that's it for this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, please consider subscribing to help me create more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.